You want to build a stronger relationship with confidence, and what you need to know is that confidence is something we continuously maintain. Here are some tips so that you can start building a stronger relationship with confidence. You want to be patient. Confidence is not going to be stronger from one day to the next. It is like a muscle. Think of it as the gym. When you go to the gym and you work on chest, you're not going to see results immediately. Now, if you're going to the gym consistently and consistently working on chest, then your chest eventually starts to show progress. That is how confidence is. It's a muscle. So the more you put yourself in situations that forces you to respond with confidence, then you start building the confidence muscle. You also want to start changing the beliefs. Beliefs are really strong when it comes to confidence. If we believe that we are not worthy of receiving things, then that is going to tarnish our confidence. But if we believe that we are worthy, we are confident, we are optimistic, and we are capable of accomplishing something, then that is the belief that we empower. So confidence is also a belief. So you want to believe that you're confident. You want to believe that through confidence, you're able to discover more about you and you're able to discover more success in your life. So transforming your belief is going to be something incredibly vital. I hope this video was helpful for you. I'm looking forward to continuously provide you with videos that is going to start helping you build a stronger relationship with confidence. See you soon.